30th. Sorry, had to go over the cattle guard. Anyway, just been working on my van. Not much going on. I'll be leaving Santa Fe probably Wednesday and start heading to Arizona. You know, when you sit in one spot for 2 or 3 weeks, it's really hard to find things to record that are interesting. You know, there's just not anything interesting going on out here. I did make one new addition to my van that I'll show you, and I'm just getting back to camp after grocery shopping. I was out of food, starving, literally starving, wasting away. Anyway, see you guys in a little bit. I think we're in the middle of an Alfred Hitchcock movie. See them? That's like a cloud of vultures. It's really windy here, you guys. Sorry. I'm on my way out of camp again because I'm going somewhere that's a surprise. And this great, big, huge rattlesnake just crossed the road in front of me. But he was going really fast. I couldn't stop in time to get a video of him. Darn it. That was cool. Hello, little one. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. I doubt if your real name is Scruffy. I'm assuming he was named by the shelter?
If he was on a surrender, we honor the name and keep it.
Right.
So I can check his file and see.
Hi, baby. Come here. Can you jump up? Come on. Come on. Come on. This is Scruffy. Well, at least that's what they call him here. He's 9 years old. I think he came as a stray, which means Scruffy isn't his real name. And I know that they only put them up for adoption after they have made attempts to find the owner. Hey, Scruffy. Scruffy. Hi, baby. He's staring at the door. What are you doing? Huh? Look at that face. Look at that face. He's really wiry. He's like part Chihuahua and part wiry terrier of some sort. Come here. Hi. Hi, baby. What do you guys think? This is my new guard dog. Are you my new guard dog? He just wants some love. No, we will not make a habit out of this, but this little guy is just so scared and nervous. Oh. Okay, I need help naming him. He doesn't have a name. He was a stray, which means they don't know his name. Okay, let's hear some names, you guys. Horrible light. Today was a unkempt day, but I wanted to tell you that I am absolutely in love with my dog. Oh my gosh. I've named him Parker. That was Mike's idea because he said that's where we all met each other, was in Parker, Arizona, and we've decided that, I don't mean we, that makes it sound like Mike and I are like a thing, which is not the case. But I loved the idea though, Parker. He's so sweet. I'm going to try to show you without, he's, there you are. Say hi. He says, no, cover me back up. It's night time. He's so cute. Okay, Parker. That's his name. My new puppy, Parker. He's not a puppy. By the way, I'm not sure if I've mentioned, he's 9 years old. He was a stray. Um, and he is so happy he is rescued. I am not even joking. You would not believe how grateful he is. He just is so excited to have a mom and be out of the shelter. And I'm excited to have him. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, everybody.